Awesome. So now let's continue and take care of the marking a task as done. And for this, we again have to repeat nearly all of the same steps. So let's get started by binding a button click event for a new method, which we call mark as done. So let's do that right here. Let's write down mark as done. For sure, we again need to know which task you want to mark as done. So let's write down task string, save like that, switch over to the HTML template, and here we got the second button, which is done button for sure, and again use parentheses click event. You can see once you've learned the fundamentals, it's most of the time repeating that stuff. However, there are way more features of Angular to discover, but these are really the basics that you can use to build some actual functionality. Now mark as done, and let's submit the task. Awesome. Let's switch over to the TypeScript component. Now let's alert this. So alert the task some interpolation here is done. There we go. So that we know which task is actually getting set as done. However, we need to create a class just in a second to really be able to permanently mark something as done, because right now we don't have any field, any property on our task to mark it as complete, because our task is just a simple string, right? So let's see that in action. Let's click on done here. The task visit and is done. Okay, so all of the binding and method calling is working. That's fine. So let's move on now and let's create a class for our task.